It's time for another Lego Book Nook, and I have been really excited to build this one. This is from The Lord of the Rings, the scene with the Balrog when Gandalf says it. Come on, say it with me. You shall not pass. Okay, sorry, I couldn't forgive myself if I didn't at least say it one time. This is going to look great with my Lord of the Rings books. So let's get started. You might think this is merely a box of Legos, but no, this will be a cat attractor because once they realize I have a box, they are going to be up here and in it. Instructions, isn't he a handsome boy? Pretty standard. Check out his wings. Always have to be careful when you're pulling things out because there will be little pieces like this. And all the bags. Nothing left but to get started. And here is cat number 1, Sebastian. Knowing him though, he just wants to chew on the plastic bags. I'm not one to say I told you so, but, well, sir, why? This is the end of bag 1, and I just can't resist again. A wizard is never late, nor is he early. He arrives precisely when he means to. On to bag 2. Bag 2 is finished. And I'm going to spare you the Gandalf quote for this time. This time. On to bag 3. Okay, just finished that bag. Now it's time for bag 4. Bag 4 finished. I do believe Gandalf approves. Now for bag 5. Bag 5 finished. You can begin to see the structure of the actual book nook, but according to Gandalf, for even the very wise cannot see all ends. I don't know, do with that what you will, but on we go to bag 6. Bag number 6 is completely finished, and we have the structure is complete now, at least the outside structure. I'm not sure he's pleased. Now on to bag 7. This was the result of bag 7. And now on to bag 8. Remember when I said this box would attract cats? Case in point. He's enjoying himself though. Bag number 8 is finished and our Balrog is looking rather menacing. Check out those claws. And the final bag, number 9, is right here and ready to go. Wow. Check this out. I really was not sure what to think about this set, you know, given that it has such a wide open frame, but I am seriously pleased. So his wings hook in back here, which keep him in place and stable. You can see right there. So they hook in here. And then you have Gandalf right here and the little sign that says, "You shall not pass." This is the open mode, so now we need to see what happens when we close it and find a spot for it on the shelf. So we have the option to leave it open, or it can be closed like so. But honestly, I'm kind of loving the effects that the fire has right here. So I do believe I'm going to leave mine, let me step down from my stool here, open. This is a really cool set. I definitely recommend it if you are a fan of Lord of the Rings. And to quote Gandalf one more time, all we have to do is decide what to do with the time that is given to us.